been diagnosed with cancer.
Who? Yes. I'm going to file a divorce right now.
My brother, could you please take me to the hospital? I am supposed to start my chemotherapy today.
Okay, get inside the car.
Over my dead body. Not in our car. Not on our car, okay?
Sweetheart, what are you trying to do?
You want her to drain our account because of her expensive cancer treatment.
Between you and my sister, where do you think my love is? Can you get inside the car or I leave you?
My brother, what is the meaning of this? We were supposed to go to the hospital.
Trust me, my beautiful sister. Just get it.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. How can I help you?
I want to see the most expensive casket you have here.
That's great. Follow me. We have several here. We have these here. We have this. We have this. These are the mid-range price. Then we have these are the most expensive casket.
What about this one, my lovely sister?
Who is it for?
My sister. I'll make sure I give you the most decent send-off. Even my friends will witness that I loved you.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am.
I knew you love me more than her. You can't waste our resources on a walking corpse.
Yes, doctor. What? No, it can't be.
What is wrong, my husband?
Fine, thank you.
Okay, I'm calling from the hospital.
Yes?
We sincerely apologize
Yeah?
for the wrong information I gave you about the results of your patient.
Yes?
Your patient is cancer-free.
Yes! Thank you!
What is going on?
I've been diagnosed with cancer.
Who? going to file a divorce right now.
Hey, what is wrong, my brother? What is wrong? Why are you crying? What is wrong?
I've been diagnosed with cancer.
Oh, it's okay. Your sister got you. Don't worry.